Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's it for? For me?
Who read my mind?
Did you tell them to get it for me?
No, I didn't.
Because Willie was saying he wanted to get one.
He's mentioned it a couple years
Because
ago.
I'm always cleaning and
Mm-hmm.
sweeping and mopping and carrying on. Oh, this is for me.
You gotta find space for it. We might have to buy a suitcase. Happy anniversary! Okay, so welcome to Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey. She is here with her latest unboxing, which is a
Roomba that my kids got for me
And
as
this-
an early anniversary gift.
and this is an E5 series.
Wow. So here we go, everyone. There it is.
Ooh, Nabi.
Really don't say silly things. My husband kept telling me he was going to buy me one of these things because I'm always forever mopping, forever sweeping, because Mexico, where I continue my journey, is extremely dusty. And so this little thing is going to get a workout in my house. So I thank you, Rochelle, and I thank you, Micah.
You're welcome.
Wonderful gift. It's something that I can really, really use.
Bon
So this is what it looks
anniversario.
like. It's light. You can see I can pick it up easily, and it's not putting a strain on me. So I can take it upstairs. I can take it into this room or that room, and I can really utilize this thing all over my house. I love it. Thank you, guys.
And guess what?
Because I think you planted a seed in there.
Years ago,
Let's do something that
and I stuck a
want.
pin in it.
So this is what it looks like. The
E5 series. And that does carpets, tile, hardwood. That thing will go where it can go.
Marble floors all over my house.
That's
I
fine.
think about marble floors, they're dangerous. If you drop anything, which I'm very likely to do, that's the end of it. It's broken. You need a Roomba to clean it up. So in the box, these are instructions, right, Rochelle?
Yes, that's the owner's guide.
Thank goodness, because I need instructions because poor Jenny, I have a hard time with electronics and things like that. What's this, Rochelle?
So that's an extra brush that needs to be switched out every few months based on your usage. And you've got a full box also right beside you of other replacement parts, just in case. But those brushes and filters, they last. Especially since you just have marble floors, you probably won't have to switch them out as
I don't have
often.
any carpets.
You're golden.
For some place, a place that's dusty,
Yeah.
no carpets.
You're
So
set.
this is gonna be fine. What's this, Rochelle?
That's your charging station that it will report back to when the battery runs low.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, that is too tight. That's going to be nice. So I don't have to take it physically and put it back here?
No, it will go back on its own.
I love it.
And there's an app on your phone that will download called the iRobot App, and it will tell you what exactly it's doing, and you can name it. So ours is named Dusty, and so we were trying to look up the Spanish word for dusty, and it is
Polvo.
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 You name it whatever you want. Yeah.
Polvocito. That will be the name of it. Polvocito. Okay, so this is my...
That's your cord to go with the charging station.
Oh, cool.
So that plugs right in on the side. Flip it one time. Right there.
Side.
Yeah. Yep.
Right here.
Yep.
Excellent. Good. Good to know. And what's this one?
That's an extra filter. So I just threw in replacement parts just because I didn't know how it would be to ship that stuff here, or if you find where to find it here. So
Excellent.
you're good for the year for 2021.
So there's some in the box.
There's three?
Mhm. That's a full kit
and
3 brushes,
3 brushes.
and then your 1 main set of brushes. Those last a good long time.
thank you so much, you guys. So I'm turning it upside down, and these are the wheels that kind of like move around on its own, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm noticing that there's another one of these things in there.
So that's a replacement brush. So Micah already made sure that you have, you know, a good set of brushes all ready to go on there.
Oh, that is so awesome.
This will get like all your edges and stuff as it's going around.
So this is where this sits?
Yes.
Yes. So if this one goes bad, it gets messed up, or just with age, you can replace it with that one.
And you
And then
just use
I
a
have-
screw. You
yeah.
just unscrew it and loosen it, but that whole piece comes off. The screw stays on the brush.
And then,
So each brush has its own screw, and
And
those
these-
pop right out. Like, can you remember how to do it? Watch how easy it is.
once you can pop that open,
And
and
out
then
they
you can
come.
come out.
That's
You know,
why
I
I
need,
wanted to
you know I need things easy.
Thank you.
You
So those are
know
like
I
rubber
need things
brushes.
easy.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
I am
Right back
in
in.
love with this thing. Thank you
And
so
then-
much, guys.
When it gets dirty,
Oh yeah, how we forget that part?
dustbin is right here, and you can empty it out.
Yes.
Just pour it out.
Close it up
It's
again.
good to go back in.
Oh, and show the
And this is
filter.
the filter to filter the air so no dust goes back in the air. And then this whole piece can get wet, and you can clean it out. If like, because there's another filter in here as well that kind of help protect this one. But all this all can get wet. This can't. And you can clean it out.
Oh, I'm so happy.
And then this just
Okay,
goes-
pop it back in.
Am I going?
No.
Put the filter back on.
Thank
Take
you.
it out. Yes, hit that. Pop it. Then it's right back in.
This is an excellent present. This is exactly what I wanted. What I needed that I didn't know I needed, but my husband knew.
That's
And
right.
so did my daughter-in-law and my dear son. So I thank you all.
You're welcome.
For watching this unboxing. And don't forget to bye.